For this activity, you will need to go to the supply shelf and grab these cards. Some of the cards will have word problems on them, and some of the cards will have equations on them. Go ahead and grab those cards and come back to me and we'll talk about them. All right, in this stack of cards, like I said, there will be different word problems. It's going to be your job to match up the word problem to the correct equation. So you're going to have to read the word problem and decide, am I multiplying? Am I subtracting? Am I dividing? Am I doing both? Once you have decided, you need to match up the word problem to the equation card. Okay? Be very mindful of what's happening in the word problem to make sure it matches up with the equation that you see. When you're done matching up all the cards, go ahead and put them back in the baggie, put them back on the supply shelf, and move on to the next step in your pathway.